you gonna go first?
I am too.
Okay. Here she goes. Wheelbarrow.
Oh. Look at those
Good
strong
job.
arms.
I gotta take a rest now.
Okay.
Take a rest.
And now
Yay.
you do it.
Okay.
Ellie, you gotta come hold the video so that Mommy can do Karen.
Okay.
Here, hold it so that you can see Karen. Can you see Karen?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Where's Karen? Find her in there.
Am I
Find
in
her,
the little
find her.
box?
Lift it up. There she is. See, make sure you can see her through there.
Big cheese.